That's right, guys. Today I'll be showing you how I've created some of my favorite trading strategies with Google Gemini. I'll be showcasing to you how it's done and what it takes for you to be able to make your very own profitable script, and how I think right now is the best time for anyone to be creating their own AI strategy slash indicator. Just a disclaimer before we start this video, I just want to let you know that I am not professional and that you are responsible for backtesting any strategy slash indicator before using. First, you'll need to open up Google Gemini. This is where we'll be prompting the AI to create our fully built V5 Pine script strategy. Okay, with making AI strategies, it's pretty simple. First, we'll be needing a prompt which we can give to the AI, which will allow us to get the exact information we'll be needing to create our dream strategy. Lucky for you, I have a prompt which will be linked in the description, which you can get for absolutely free. Once you've gotten that script, just paste it into the Google Gemini. This group is telling the AI that it is a professional trading strategy pine coder and how it wants the AI to create a strategy which tells the AI to follow the trend, but only open trades if the market strength is really tight. This will filter out all of the bad signals and keep all of the good signals in. Now that we have the prompt, we can enter the script which you have pasted into Gemini and let the AI do its work. Like I said earlier, the latest Gemini update will allow us to create a fully automated strategy within 5 minutes. I think this is by far the best AI, and let's check what it can do out. Like I said earlier, 5 minutes is all it takes. It's quick, it's easy, and it's simple. Let's see what it gets. Right now, it's just classifying the strategy, structuring the Pine script, logic, and integrating visualization elements. Let's see what it does. Anyways, it looks like it's done. The script was edited and finished within probably less than 2 minutes. We can copy this now, and we can go to TradingView. Once we have our TradingView, you can press Pine Editor. Pine Editor allows you to actually create the script. On my side, it looks like this. So I just press this bottom arrow. What you need to do is press Create New Strategy and delete all of this. Once you've deleted all of this, copy and paste this, and then let's pop this into there and let's see what it does. What it's done. Okay, we can hide these two, and boom. Okay, well, the strategy which it has done is there. Less than 5 minutes, like I said. It's very easy, it's very simple, and Gemini can do it within 2 minutes. So basically right now, the strategy just doesn't look too bad. It's not profitable, but it's workable. We can work this up, we can modify this, and we can make it look better. For an example on how we can actually make this look better, we can actually go back to Google Gemini and we can paste this in. Hey, Google Gemini, the script which you have given me is amazing. But there is a few problems. Are you able to fix these problems? Just paste that in. A few of the issues are probably the short exits. They're not really that good. Like buy there, leave there. It's not the best. We can make it so it actually stops where we want it to, stop, as well as the profitable trades. It's not really that good. So let's see if it can actually improve that. Some of the problems right now the profitable trades are very low compared to the losses. Full stop. And are you able to fix the candle so that the green buy signal comes at the right time, where a perfect buy is at, as well as the sell comes at a time where it's the best time to sell. We can paste that in and see what it does. It might take a couple seconds, probably take less than 2 minutes to just like that on. And let's see what it does. So it's just talking about how, when the candle goes to buy, it might be too late. So it might look like it's bought the next candle. So that's, a problem with the actual thing. But let's see what it's done. Let's see if it can give us a strategy. Okay, so it's giving us a strategy. We just copy this. Actually, let's wait for us to finish actually. Okay, let's copy. Go back to TradingView. Let's go to Pine Editor. Let's go to this. Press create new again. Strategy. Select all. Delete everything. Paste a new one. And let's see what it does again. Hide this one. And boom. See, so far it's actually done way better than the last one. The last one had worse trades. It was not as profitable, but this one has actually made it a bit more profitable from what you have seen. This is straight green, and this is what you would want. Obviously, you can make this a bit better. We can make this where it's 50% more or 60%, 70%, like what I showed you from the start. So something like that is obviously going to take some time with scripting and prompting with the AI. But if you want to learn about that, you can actually sub to my email list and we can see what we can do.